Yes, it's gonna call games to play on a rainy day, and way to still exercise even if it's not looking so pretty outside. So I'm playing Nintendo Switch Sports, by the way, for the next however long it's going to be. Good thing I got those alternatives. I have Just Dance 2025, and plus I got these two to play with too. Hey, I'll be playing this for the next minute or so. And this is the bowling, by the way, if you didn't know. You might hear it say round one. I'll play until I can't play anymore. Pressing A. And I drop the ball and I'm gonna bowl it. And as you don't know, you can get that one on the Switch. It's very similar to Wii Sports, if you played it. This happens to be one of my favorites on here too. That's fun to play. And it's good up here.